When you own a Patek Philippe watch, you own the best of the best. And you want it serviced by watchmakers who have the experience, the knowledge, and the expertise working with this type of fine timepiece. This is the visual story of a family heirloom, a beautiful Patek Philippe Calatrava that was severely damaged by water, and the professional restoration performed by Gray&Sons Repair specialists at our Miami repair facility. This watch needed a complete restoration, a task that only a few master watchmakers are qualified to complete. The watch was carefully disassembled and all parts went through a strict inspection. Rust was cleaned and removed by hand. Original Patek Philippe parts were used when replacements were needed. The rest of the parts were deep cleaned using ultrasonic and chemical processes specifically designed for this type of watch movement. The dial, stained and damaged by moisture, was professionally repainted and refinished. The watch was then meticulously reassembled, lubricated, regulated, and time-tested to complete the restoration. If you're looking for someone to handle your Patek Philippe watch as the heirloom that it is, for this generation and the next generation to come, Gray&Sons is the service center you can trust. For additional information and inquiries, visit us at grayandsons.com to chat with a specialist, or call us at 1-800-918-2608.